boobs. No, not that it's not important. It's just not as important as this. Collectively, maybe, but one boob, no. Singular, no. So, I wanted to talk to you guys about bullying. And every once in a while, I like to do a real talk. And this is something I've talked on about homosexuality, racism, whatever. I like to talk about topics that may not be the most appealing thing in the world, but they're important to me, and they should be important to a lot of people. And bullying definitely falls into a weird realm. I mean, people can be looked down upon for lots of different things. Some things can be criminal. Some things can be, oh, he does drugs. Illegal. Selling drugs. Illegal. That's kind of how things go. But there's no real, like crime for bullying. It's just something that happens, and there's no real way to counter it. You don't serve time for bullying unless you go and beyond the realm of what's normal and you actually harm somebody. So, truth is, it's a very, very sensitive subject to me because I saw it a lot in school. I grew up, and I'm not saying this to do anything differently, but I grew up in all black school. I was one of 5 white kids, and they often tried to pick on me because I was different. I'm not going to say, oh, they picked on me because I'm white. They picked on me because I'm different. It's just how it is. And I didn't play it. I didn't let people bully me. I'd be an asshole back or I'd fight them. It's just how it is. I would stand my ground. So it wasn't so much of a problem to me. It was my friends were not independent or strong enough to do that. And I would see it happen to my friends. And these are kids that I grew up with. These are people that I would consider family. White, black, doesn't matter. And bullying is definitely a plague on the world right now. Kids deal with it more than anything, but it happens in the workplace too. Adults deal with it. Hell, there's a big thing going on right now with football players. If football players are putting up a flag saying, he bullied me, it's probably kind of a thing. At first I read that and I'm laughing. I'm like, is a 350-pound man saying somebody bullied him? And you got to understand that there are emotional consequences and scars that go behind this thing. If a professional football player can say, he bullied me, then you have to know that it's not always just physical. There are different types. And I'm going to give you 2 stories of situations that I've dealt with in real life with some of my friends at 2 entirely different situations. And I wanted to spread awareness to this because truth is there is nothing like crime. There's nothing cops can do. You can't call somebody and say he stole my... Well, actually, you can if they're stealing, but you know what I mean? He called my mom fat, and she really is fat or something. You can't really, do anything like that. And it's a serious situation because it treads this very, very unusual, damn near invisible line. To me, bullies, and this is a hard thing for an actual victim of a bully to understand and believe, but bullies are, in fact, victims themselves. No one just wakes up on the day and is like, hey, I want to shit on somebody. It doesn't happen like that. It does not happen like that. Victims are just, they're everywhere. And the world is cruel. Everybody's a victim in some way or another. Bullies tend to reciprocate that. They flip it around. They put it towards other people. Something's going on in that person's life that made them that way. And it's still going on. Whether it's a bad upbringing, they get beat, their dad does it to them, and they do it back to other people because that's all they know. And they just transfer it. It's a handful of things that could happen that way. Lack of love, drugs, depression, problems at home with the wife. Many different things can happen. And the first thing you have to understand is the bullies are also a victim. And I know that sounds weird for you to say, and you may not have the compassion for them that you would like the actual victim of a bully, but it's there. It's just a little bit deeper and more camouflaged. So I think that there's a very specific way that you have to try to take care of this and handle this thing, and not a lot of them are very easy or successful. Truth is, I got bullied. I handled it a few different ways, in ways that I didn't like. I would, and many a times I would get in fight. Somebody be just